If you just got a new controller for your PS5 and are trying to connect it, here's two different ways you can do it. So for the first way, you're going to need a USB-C charging cable. You can either use the cable that came with your PS5, or you can use a different cable like me. I'm just using my iPhone charging cable. What you'll want to do is connect one end to your controller, the other end to the front of your PlayStation, and then hold down the PlayStation button on your controller for a second. You then may be asked who you want to use this controller, choose who you want, and then you can go ahead and unplug your controller and use it wirelessly. Now, if you already have a controller connected and are trying to connect a second one, I'll show you how to do that with the second method. What you'll want to do is come to the top and select Settings, then scroll down and select Accessories, and then select General and then Bluetooth Accessories. Now what we want to do is put our second controller into pairing mode. To do that, you want to hold down the PlayStation button and the one in the top left at the same time for a few seconds, and then you should see your controller flash blue. You should then see your controller pop up in Accessories Found. Go ahead and select it using your original controller and you should be good to go. So that's pretty much it. If this video ended up helping you, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated.